So the SPOT is a comprehensive youth center that provides both medical and social services to youth ages 13 to 24, free of charge with very few administrative barriers. The idea is that we're low threshold and high engagement.
The main difference between us and them is that our services are free. And they also provide services for adults, whereas we specifically target youth 13 to 24.
What I noticed in my practice is that young people were having a hard time accessing confidential care that they needed for things like STDs or HIV, or even really just to talk to a doctor about kind of the normal questions that people have as they're going through their teen years. So when we were creating the SPOT, that's really what we had in mind, is how are we going to make this as easy as possible for people to access, and how are we going to break down those barriers that get in the way.
We have some of the highest sexually transmitted disease rates in the entire country. Over the last 3 to 5 years, we continue to see dramatically rising rates of HIV infections among youth. We felt that it was imperative that we do something to really try to make an impact to improve the health of youth very early on, and to try to prevent STI infections, HIV infections, and meet the other range of needs that youth experience in the St. Louis community.
The SPOT began really about, 9 months, maybe 2 years ago. Our program, which had been kind of developing in infancy over probably 7-8 years before then, but it was been within the last 2 that money came and ideas were able to actually go from thought to reality.
So the SPOT offers a lot. It's a multidisciplinary clinic. So we have a mental health therapist who can offer counseling. We have case managers who can offer help with housing. They can offer help with transportation.
I think that the SPOT is a very unique environment, because what it does, first of all, it provides the youth with a place. We have a drop-in center. The youth are free to come and just drop in, to have a warm environment where people are understanding. They have the ability to come here and just have the feeling that people really care about their well-being.
Here at the SPOT? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, our medical services include free HIV and STD testing and treatment, free contraception, free smoking cessation, free case management, free therapy, free psychiatry visits,
toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant,
television, computers, food, shower, hygiene. Generally, we can provide almost every service that a young person could need here.
We also help provide social services like mental health care, case management, assistance obtaining jobs, and we put all those services together under one roof so that teens can really get multiple needs met in one location.
If someone comes in and in the course of talking about what's going on in their personal life, I find out that they don't have a place to sleep, or they don't have, they're not in school, or they're just looking for a doctor, or anything that comes up, then I can help get them connected to a case manager who can help them find what they're looking for.
Pretty much, when I'm here, I have the same feeling as I have at home. I don't feel uptight or, unwelcomed or anything. I think for that purpose and that purpose alone, that makes the SPOT my SPOT.
I love the atmosphere. I love the fact that people aren't judged here. There are a lot of people who are heterosexual, homosexual, all the LGBT, all that transgender, they're all welcome here.
The people are nice, they're friendly. It made me feel comfortable when I came, because I wasn't, kind of afraid. I didn't know how it was going to be. I came in here because most of the people really didn't know each other, but they was helping each other out still, even though they didn't know each other. So that was kind of different for me, because usually people be shy and they be like, okay, I'm not going to talk to this person. But people was actually connecting with each other.
And I can talk to them about anything. I'm really comfortable around the doctors here and stuff like that. It's like nothing I've ever experienced. It's really like, I always want to come. It's not like I have to come.
I know you can go into a restaurant sometimes and all the staff is good and you got that one person that has a negative attitude. There's nobody here like that. Actually, when I'm here, I usually come and I get all my screening and testing done, STD testing, HIV testing, things like that, because I get my results fast, accurate and fast results.
The services I do is I do Deb with the job searching. Right now I'm currently unemployed. The second thing I do is I talk to Michelle. She's the case manager helping me just in case if I have financial problems, budgeting, stuff like that. And Kim was the other one I was using. I actually cut down my drinking problem, and I'm on the verge of using Adam. I just haven't made an appointment yet.
I need to Facebook somebody or do something like that. The computers are always open.
I just learned that you shouldn't. There's nothing wrong with people like different races, different kind of sexes and all that. Like say gay, bisexual, anything. You shouldn't judge them. They cool. It's just got to get along with them.
I've grown wiser as far as the whole sexual realm of things, I guess. So, and prevention and safer sex. There's a lot of things that I did not know in a short period of time because I've only been coming to the spot for maybe a month or two, and I've already just been broadened so in depth. So.
This spot could take off, really, because just here, it's already seen so many people, and it's amazing.
The spot is a blessing, like really simple. When you say it's a blessing, it really explains it all because it helps you to walk down the street, it helps you to go to work, it helps you to improve yourself. So it's a blessing because it makes you a better person.
I don't think I've been to other places like this before, so it kind of puts a good feeling in your heart about it.